Today we're working on the CRC Build for the Future C10 project, and it is a 1977 Scottsdale C10. We decided on the C10 just to kind of do something different. Ended up doing a Pat Musi 555 cubic inch motor that he sells, supercharger on top. Edelbrock carburetors that are the new latest and greatest. So this is gonna be like an old throwback to the Pro Street days with a modern twist on it. I mean, yes, it's still gonna be carbureted. Clay and them talked me into that. And it just so happened, it was already CRC red. We got a lot done on it, but one of the biggest things we wanted to get done was the header. Some motors are way easier to do headers on. And then you get some of the big blocks that got the 2 1/4 or 2 1/8 ports. You start running 2 1/8, 2 1/4 pipes, it gets tight real quick. Usually I try and start with the hardest part first. Something that looks like it's gonna fight me to the bitter end. Because if you get the hard part out of the way, then it's like you can kind of relax and the rest just kind of falls together. It's cool seeing it all come together from nothing. So that's just, we get gratification out of doing that. And there's some things that me and him will both agree on, it's easier for us to just do it ourselves. And then there's also things where it's like you want someone to bounce ideas off of. I mean, everyone's got their days where they just want to work alone and get stuff done. Then they got days where, it's nice to have a helping hand. And I prefer working on other people's stuff because when it comes to mine, I will redo it 19 times. The whole point of these vehicles that we're building is that they will go get auctioned off, and once they're auctioned off, they donate a amount of the proceeds to pay for kids' scholarships at trade schools. Just to get kids involved, because we all know that working with your hands is a dying trade, and we need to get the younger generations doing it, to kind of rekindle it. This truck is actually going to be on sick week in 2026, which will be cool. I'll be driving it on sick week, following my dad in Mad Max. So yeah, that was actually Lou and Clay and my dad's idea. They were just kind of like, well, that would be a great promotion for it because this thing's going to go fast. It made 901 horse. For a street truck, that's pretty good. So, and it'll be the ultimate torture test. So once we're done with sick week of this thing, we will know, okay, we got to change this, we got to change this. That way, whoever buys this thing, they should have zero issues. Hop in it, go, drive it, race it. All the bugs should be worked out. So it'll be cool. I'm looking forward to it. Nervous, but looking forward to it. But it's going to be cool. I mean, it's going to make some power and it's going to be fast.